loss above this high, isn't it? Above that high now. Can you understand it? Simple. Okay, you can have your stop loss above that high. Yeah. Then it's all about waiting. Okay, it's all about waiting. And let's see if we could hedge this thing. Okay, let's see if we could take a buy to sell or something like that. Okay, that is what I always do. Okay, so we have a strong low here. Why? Took out liquidity and broke structure, right? Broke structure. So we have a strong low. Let's see how this strong low. Let's wait until it creates a weak high. Here we have the break. See that? Not this, this. So what is your trade-in range now? What's your trade-in range? From here to here, right? That becomes your minor trade-in range. Okay, now we can work with all of them. Okay, we can work with all of them. So then first thing, discount and premium. And then what are we going to do? Internal range liquidity. So can you expect this order block to play out? No. What is that? Internal range
Our
liquidity.
balance above, and we have the internal liquidity just below
Yeah,
that
exactly.
balance.
What do you mean? This thing?
No, no, no.
This thing?
That thing. That
The one that I marked, right? Yeah, the one that I marked.
no, no, no.
Okay.
I mean,
Yeah, then
this thing.
can you annotate? Yeah.
This one.
This thing? Now, why is this internal range liquidity? Why?
Uh,
Is this a swing low?
no, no. I
No, right?
thought that maybe the lower time frame
Not a
is
swing
swing
low.
low.
Yeah,
Okay.
now we are working with this time frame now, okay? We're
Okay.
working with this time frame. So in this time frame, what is the main internal range liquidity? The last point is here, right?
Yeah.
Last point with here. Okay,
This
last
is
point
where
is
I'm
here.
getting more confused because
That's the thing.
um,
That's the thing. On a lower time frame, for sure you will have that. For sure, this is internal range liquidity on a lower time frame. Okay, but then again, that's why I told you, stick to the higher time frames. Stick to the higher time frame now. Now you know what a higher time frame is actually. Since this is your highest time frame trade in range, okay,
mhm.
this is your higher time frame on this trade. See that on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Can you understand that? Okay, so you have to always use it that way. So right below this, what do we have? An imbalance
Okay.
or the wick. We have the wick right below that. Okay, so if you go to the 15-minute, the body of the candle that took out the liquidity is never mitigated.
Yeah.
See that? The body is never mitigated and there is internal range liquidity being fed into that. Okay, so you could go to a maybe a 5 minute or the 1 minute. I took it like I did not take it actually. I'll show you why. Okay, this was the 1 minute. Okay, what did we have? Equal lows. See that? Equal
Yeah.
lows
Right.
right above the point of interest, and we had this order block never tested right again. See that? Never
Okay.
mitigated, never mitigated. So stop loss below this. See that?
Okay.
Stop loss below this now. Okay, see, we're not moving this area because this is where the 15-minute point of interest was. We're only taking our stop loss to here. Can you understand that? Like that. Okay, like that. And then, like, honestly, I was waiting until, yeah, London does that. Okay, I was waiting if London was to do that, but no, it played out during Asia. Okay, so I don't trade Asia, so I missed it. It started coming, and yeah, this was Asia. Built another inducement, and yeah, tapped. This was Asia, so I could not take it. So let's mark out the Asian session. Starts at 3:30. Yeah, see that? Oh yeah, it started at 2:30 those days, and then set
9:30,
9.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, those days. Okay, now after November there was daylight savings time, so then it's from 10:30 to then it's from, yeah, 10:30 to 2:30, I guess, 10:30 to 3:30 right now.
Okay.
Okay, because of the daylight savings thing. Okay, so it played out during Asia. See that? Like even during Asia, look at the reaction once it comes into those areas. Okay, like yeah, that was a good Asian session trade. We couldn't take it. Okay, but yeah, like I had this area marked and I saw Asia playing it out perfectly. So can't help it. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait and see what's happening. Came back down.
So
Okay, it has
in this
broken
case,
structure.
in this case,
Hmm?
um,
Yeah,
sh- can we look for a buy at the 50% mitigation of that Asia session, like
Asian
previous
range.
also?
Yeah, no problem with that. Okay, No problem with that. You could have even taken a buy from the 50%. Okay, 50%. But now look at this. Time and price. London has opened and we are inside of a sell zone.
Okay, yeah, right.
See that? We are inside of a sell zone. And if we take a sell here, okay, if we take a sell here, can you expect this to hold? No. Asia has created a QM.
Yeah.
See that? Asia has created a QM. So which means this low is a strong low, right? This low is a strong low. Now let's sell it here first. Okay. Stop loss was somewhere around here for 3 pips. Okay, now a strong low is created. Let's mark that out too. Strong low created right here. How do we know the strong low has created a weak high? It has to break a swing low, right? Like this, a swing low. Okay, what's that? We want to see a bearish QM. Okay, so let's wait. Look at the drop. Okay, here we have the bearish QM now. See that? Swing low is broken. Oh, what's that? Line chart here. Yeah, here it is. See that? A swing low is broken now. Okay, a swing low is broken. So we have a new trade in range. What's that? From this low to this high. See that? That's our trade in range. So if this is our trade in range, okay, what's this? Internal range liquidity. See that? Target that. Like you see how consistent we are, right? Same thing again and again. Same thing again and again on every single time frame. Okay. So we have this as our internal range liquidity. That is what we're targeting. Right below the internal range liquidity, what did we have? An imbalance plus the candle that took out the liquidity during Asia. See that? Imbalance plus this candle. Okay. So if this area is too big, go to a lower time frame, refine it. How are you refining? Put your stop loss below the breaker. See that? Below the breaker. Okay. And then it's about waiting until price gets there. Okay. Wait until price gets there. Like this. We had this break. Set your limit here, or else you can just set an alert here. And when price gets there, you can do a market execution. But no, I set a limit like this. Where are you targeting? This high as your first target. So let's wait. Let's wait. Messing around, messing around. Look at that. Right to the pip. Okay. Right to the pip and look at the rejection. Okay. Look at the rejection. No drawdown basically. Okay.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah. And you have a sell and you have this buy. Okay. So what happened? Look at this thing. Instant profits. See that? Right into the
Like
targets.
ping pongs.
Okay. Yeah, this is ping pong now. See now, like, did I even go to a 1 minute time frame? No, right? Why would you go to the 1 minute time frame when you can do ping pong with this? Okay, like no reason to go into 1 minute. Okay, now this, look at this. What's happening? We are reaching. Okay, we are reaching a sell zone, right? We are reaching a sell zone now. We are currently inside of a sell zone. What do you want to see? That's it. A QM. Okay, a QM. So let's wait.
Ah,
Let's wait.
those swings will become inducements or
Yeah,
liquidity, right?
these
Those
highs.
swings which are inside the zone. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. They might be inducements, but on the 1 hour you could not see this. See that? On the 1 hour, those were not swing highs. That is the reason why I marked this whole candle out. See that? That's the reason why I marked this whole candle out. We do not know. Okay, we do not know. So now we have a huge range. Okay, yeah, this POI is a 40 pip range, so we can't just directly sell it from here, right? Like I said. Okay, yeah, let me refresh this once again. You see how important trading ranges are now, right? You can just play, yeah, you can just play along with it. Okay, so when price gets here, now what do we want to see? Okay, now price is inside of that, and here we have our confirmation. That's it, right? See that? Stop hunt, breakout structure. So we have our confirmation. A stop hunt from a swing high and a low that got broken. Okay, a low is broken like this. Okay, the low is broken. Okay, confirm. Sells are confirmed, but we still couldn't get an entry, right? We could not get an entry yet. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, where did this actually come into? It came into somewhere around here. Yeah, we don't know. No problem. Let's see. Let's see, where did it come into? I think it was 50% of this week. No, not even that. Let's go to the 30-minute. Yeah, no idea. No problem. No problem. Okay, but now we have gotten our confirmation, right? We have got the confirmation. So same thing. Now it's like too late in the day. See that? 12 a.m. Okay, like we're not trading at this time. Let's wait for Asia to end. Let's wait for the next day to start. Okay, same thing. Let's wait for the next day to start. Yeah, let's wait. This is Asia. Okay, Asia is over. Now this is when we look for our setups, right? This is when we're going to look for the setups. So let's wait and see if Asia is building up the context for London. Yeah. Now look at this. Today, can we trust Asian high, or are we expecting it to break? We're not going to expect it to break. Why? Asia has done a stop hunt and it has given us a breakout structure. See that? Now, can you wait for Asian highs to get taken out and for price to tap into this? No. Why? Asian high is a strong high, right? It's about taking a risk now. It's all about taking a risk. If you use the line chart, okay, yeah, here we have the QM. See that? We have a QM now that Asia created. Okay, we have a QM that Asia created. See, stop hunt, breakout structure. Okay, now then this becomes the strong high, right? This becomes the strong high. How do we know the strong high has created a weak low? A swing high has to get broken once again. And yeah, London opened, and here we have that break.
And we have an inducement above.
Exactly. Okay, now this becomes your trade in range. If this is the trade in range, what's this? Internal range. Like that. Now you don't even have to have a point of interest. Okay, because you know that this is liquidity. You know that this is the strong high. Just set a limit like a pip above that. Stop loss above the strong high. Like, why would you want a point of interest now? See that? 2 pips. Okay, like, why do you want a point of interest?
You
You can
said
do
like
this.
uh,
Yeah.
most of the time the Asian highs will behave like a strong high or strong
No,
low.
not most of the time. Okay, not most of the time. Only if price does this. Okay, only if price does this. And yeah, we are even
If you
inside of a point of
violated
interest.
some of the previous highs, then
Previous highs.
okay, okay.
Exactly. Then you can expect it to hold. Okay, then you can expect it to hold. Like, see, even in this example, it took out liquidity, right? That is why it held.
Yeah.
See that?
Otherwise, it will
That is why it held.
get manipulated.
Otherwise, it will get taken out. Okay, otherwise, it will get taken out. But yeah, sometimes they can go without doing it. But yeah, most of the time, it will get taken out. Okay, yeah. And see, this is
Have
even
you
inside of a
implemented
point of
any of
interest.
these?
Asian
I
highs.
have seen. I have
Yeah,
seen
I
in
think
videos
there
like
was
using
something.
Asian range.
I think yeah, I think it's this. Some people are using this, but you have to set your yeah, you have to make the timings properly because the timing that is wrong. See that? Okay, so yeah, I don't use indicators. I just do this. Okay, yeah. And if I'm taking a sell here, this should be my first target where I can partial out. Okay, see that? Look at the rejection, instant, and then bam, targets it. Okay, that's it. Very simple. What are you doing? Take your partials, leave a runner. Okay, leave a runner into where? Into the higher time frame low first, right here. Right? You're leaving a runner into this. But look what happened. I got stopped out. Price came back up. Spread stopped me out at break even. And then what happened? Bam. Stopped me out at break even and then it dropped. Like I could have gotten an entry here. Why? We had another QM. Stop punt, breakout structure. See that? Like we had another QM. Like I could have gotten a sell, but yeah, I did not do that for some reason. Like, see, you could have taken it easily. See this? Stop hunt, breakout structure. Here we have a break right here. After breaking below this low, price came up, created an inducement, tapped into somewhere around here, and then it dropped. Okay, I didn't take it. I didn't take it, so no point of looking at it even. Okay, so yeah, it stopped me out at break even spreads, and then it dropped. Okay, so if you were in that trade, what you could have done is taken another portion off from here and leave it into the daily lows. See that? That is what we could do. 1 to 207, 1 to 168. Look at the residual ratios. Okay, and we're pretty much trading everything up and down, up and down. Okay, so you can do that. And then, yeah, it's about waiting until price comes into your point of interest once again. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait because look how it's dropping. Okay, look how it's dropping. It's like no re-entries, right? You can see how it's dropping. No re-entries for sure. So let's wait until it comes into a point of interest. Okay, it's starting to come back down. Okay, we are inside of this. Now, what do you want to see? That's it, right?
Bullish
The
Q1.
only confirmation we need. Yeah, a bullish QM. Okay, a bullish QM. Go to a lower time frame. Wait until price gives you that. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Like, see, we don't even care about any of this, right? We don't even care about that because why? This is our point of interest. Why should we even look at that stuff? Like, but yeah, you could have entries. You could have gotten everything. See this? Stop hunt, breakout structure, inducement,
Inducement.
sell,
Yep.
targets. Very simple. Okay, you could have done that. You could have done that. But yeah, let's wait. Let's wait until we get the confirmation. And here we have it. See that? Yeah, this was an early entry. Stop punt, breakout structure, enter here. You could have done that, but no, I didn't do that. I was waiting for a little more confirmation. Stop punt.
That might be in 1 minute time frame, right?
Yeah, for sure on the 1 minute. For sure on the 1 minute. See that?
But might be a risky one.
Uh, it is very risky because where's the liquidity? No liquidity. See that? So yeah, we can't take these as inducements and wait for this to get played out. Okay, so yeah, I won't do that. And yeah, let's wait now. We have the confirmation we need. Okay, now why is this QM very special? Because it's happening inside of a 4 hour point of interest, right?
Yeah.
That is why it's special. Okay, yeah. Then yeah, same stuff. What are we gonna do? Wait for Asia to end. Wait for Asia to end. Okay, same stuff. I think yeah, this is November, so now the Asian times are different. Yeah, now Asia is at 10:30. Yeah, Asia ends at 10:30 now. Starts at 3:30. Like this. Okay, now
Yeah.
what did Asia leave
Usually it
behind?
changes.
Yeah,
Yeah. Session
on
time frame
November, bro.
changes during the months, right?
Yeah, on November, I guess.
November.
On November it changes. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, because of the daylight savings
Yes.
thing. I don't know properly. Yeah, I don't know properly because that happens because of daylight savings time. But yeah, you can if you just look into Forex Factory, you can see that they will just update it.
Okay.
Okay, they will update it all the time. Okay. So look at this. Now, today is the Asian low strong? No, right? What did they leave behind? Equal lows. See that? Equal lows. Can we trust it today? No. So right below that, we have this point of interest. Why is it high probable? Asian sessions liquidity being fed into that point of interest. See that?
Yeah.
Liquidity, like feeding into the point of interest. Have that marked out. Now, like I said, you can do one of two things. Okay, you can either wait until price gets here and then buy it, or else you can always hedge it. I told you, right? You can always hedge it like we do. Okay, so yeah, now right now we do not have a proper point of interest. So what I did was I was waiting until I get a clear setup. Now look what happened. Okay, so the price went up. Okay, took out the Asian highs. Right here now, the thing is now after it's gone, I can easily explain this to you, right? But what once we're looking at it in real time, like it'll be a little confusing, right? It'll be a little confusing. Okay, so for some reason, okay, I took this as a stop hunt and this as a breakout structure. Okay, I took this as the breakout structure, but where is the major breakout structure? Here. See that? Price can still do this. Price can still do this, right? But I took this as a stop hunt and this as the breakout structure because why? A QM was formed. See that? The QM was formed after taking out Asian highs. So then what I did was I took this as the strong high. Okay, was waiting until it gives me a bullish QM. Was waiting, patiently waiting, and here we have the QM. See that? Okay. So what's your trade in range? I got it from here to here. Then what is this? Internal range liquidity, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And since the stop loss was too small, I sold it right here.